Gosh, this train so superb, so still and lot of dreams, many of which we all absorb, a state full of huge worries, a state to get in unwillingly. To one corner a man wanders, the other cage women cry, unaltered years of all creatures, getting tears that never dry, broken hearts dying slowly. Love is never got back, faith kills the anti-heroes, trust hidden with no luck, root sins and wrong wills, fidelity is a sin, reality is silly. Insane suns, wild winds, dead moons to runners, hope lost in frost moods. Gosh, this sight ponders, with wheels pumped roughly. A man in loneliness beloved, chance and the curse so betwist, life is a hole, snakes reside, denials to all, a broken heart, rules and conduct set faintly. Word stage a man to hover. Love is a myth without a source, driven, engaged, deferred dreamer, this unwanted puzzle missing a piece that people get in unwillingly. The sight is intelligent, clean mud, a carnival ship of the midnight, grayed eyes and legs made in mud, looks splendid undoubtedly.